Hi everyone, I hope you're doing amazing. This is the update for Twin Flame 2026. What's going to happen in the Twin Flame journey in 2026? First of all, the first thing that I could see when I was, interacting with the angels, spirit guides, the divine masculines are coming forward for themselves. They are finishing off the karmic contracts. They are really at the peak of their awakening journey, and they are recognizing the conscious attachments that have been them keeping them in a loop. So they are cutting it off. They are cutting off everything that was anti this connection, and they are really very much connected to their soul now. Within the connection, I see that is going to be a lot of independence, dignity, worth, value, enhancement at divine level. The divine feminine are coming into their wholeness, into their divinity, and this is going to be a very empowering year overall for both the counterparts. For those who have not been doing the inner work or still running away in the escaping energy, there's only one message that the timelines are shifting, and you need to flow with time. If not, then it's going to be more painful for other part of the ones who are coming into the wholeness, recognizing their soul truth and coming into their full power, recognizing what they need to do right now. You are going to have union in this lifetime, in this very year. 2026 to 2027 mid is the portal to union. 5D unions are already happening at mass level. I cannot tell you how many readings I have done and the energies I have been picking up for the 5D union, but the physical union may take a bit of because integrating energy and embodying that energy in the 3D fully takes a bit of time. Even time is a human concept, but the spirit catches everything faster than the human body. Human body can, it's a vessel, and it can hold a certain amount of energy. So for everyone watching this, I'm sure you are heading towards it, but these are the signs that you would know if you're headed towards union. One, you will somehow find more interest towards your purpose, and things like chasing, running after certain things about your divine masculine won't make sense to you anymore. You will only and only want peace in your life. You will embody I am presence, and most important thing is your purpose will be everything to you. Secondly, number two is you know the Holy Trinity in your heart. You have embodied it. The most important connection for you right now is the one you have with God, because you know the true union is with God. When you unite with God, they unite with God, the true union happens. Okay, now the third thing is you will not get triggered or entangled when you have done the inner work and they still don't show up. You'll not be entangled in these questions, why is he not showing up, because in your heart you're so self-assured. Yes, I have done my work, and universe is, it's up to the universe about rest of the task is up to the universe. When I am going to be physically coming together, we are going to be physically coming together. Now, one major thing that I want to tell you that as a divine feminine watching this, you need to remember that this is not only for you. This union is not just for self. I'm sure if you have checked 3 points that I've mentioned just now, you would know that it's not just for you, it's for the collective, it's for the bigger thing. There's a saying by Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita that till the moment there's only even one person suffering in the planet, the whole planet is suffering, because we are one collective, we are one conscious being. So we are suffering indirectly. Now, if you are only, if you are able to see everything collectively, holistically, really great, you are really expanding. Know that you have come a long, long way to yourself. And um, another thing is, we are creating a new earth here. We are being the embodied divine parents for our spirit babies. So the one who is still chasing their divine masculine, who keep divine masculine as priority, how can you be that, divine mother? How can you hold such frequency? Ask yourself. And I'm sure this might, be triggering for some people. This might trigger something, not only in a negative way but in a positive way as well, for you to work on. So please go ahead and be honest with your journey. Just your purpose is everything. It will give you everything that you believe this union will give you. Your purpose is going to activate that. And also, your once you activate your purpose, once you dive deeper in your purpose, the divine masculine magnetizes, because you are that embodied divine feminine in that moment. Thank you.